Hi, welcome to the Tasty Tiger. I'm Chef Peyton.
And I'm Chef Brooklyn.
Today we're going to make fluffy French toast and strawberry compote.
We're going to start by cutting up our washed strawberries.
French toast was created by medieval European cooks. Okay. Now we will add them into our bowl or our pan. While she's cutting that, I'll add the sugar, the juice,
And make sure you wash your hands before you touch the food. We chose to do French toast because it is high in protein with the egg. And we thought that the strawberry compote would be a good combination ever.
So we're going to let this bring to a boil and then put the heat to low once it boils.
Okay, now I'm going to start to make the mixture for our French toast. So first I'm going to crack my eggs and add them in there. We're using 3 eggs. Make sure you don't get any shells. And then I'm going to add sugar and vanilla and cinnamon. And then we're going to whisk it until it's smooth. Okay, now we're going to add our milk in here and our flour and whisk that in. Fun fact about strawberries, they're the first fruit to be ripe in the summer.
Each strawberry has around 200 seeds in each of them.
Okay.
Now we'll grab our bread.
Okay, and we need to turn on this cooktop where we're going to cook our bread, put it on medium heat. Chef Peyton is going to dunk the bread in our mixture and then place it on our pan. And then you'll just wait until it's golden brown on each side and then flip it.
So good.
And while we wait for that, we have this on low heat just to keep it warm, but it's not really cooking.
Yummy. Okay. You're better at cooking it.
You want me to do it? Just have to wait for it to be golden brown. Might take a couple minutes. Maybe like 1 minute. Okay, this one's probably good. We'll place it back on our plate and then continue with the other ones. You can probably fit more than one piece on the pan. Turn the heat down a little bit once the pan gets all warmed up. Okay. Then we'll put them on the plate. Yum. And then we can add our strawberries.
There we go.
And now it's ready to eat.
Yum.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to tune in next time for Tasty Tiger.